Welcome to another CAAN tip, where we deliver fencing tips in under 120 seconds. Today, we're talking about how to install a fence in rocky or hard soil. It's no secret that this kind of ground can be a challenge, but with the right tools and techniques, even the toughest terrain won't stand in your way. Whether you're dealing with large rocks or compacted soil, we've got the steps to help you build a sturdy, long-lasting fence. Let's get started. Step 1. Start by digging post holes. In rocky soil, a standard post hole digger may not be enough. You'll need a powered auger or a digging bar to break through the hard ground and rocks. A digging bar will help pry loose large rocks, while an auger is ideal for drilling through compacted soil. Step 2. Remove any rocks you encounter. Use your shovel or hands to clear out debris as you dig. For larger rocks that can't be moved, you may need to adjust the hole's position slightly. Step 3. Add a layer of gravel at the bottom. This improves drainage and stability, making sure your post is firmly seated. Step 4. Secure the post with concrete. In rocky soil, concrete helps anchor the fence post. Pour it in, ensuring it fills the hole completely, and level the post as the concrete sets. Step 5. To keep your post straight, use temporary bracing while the concrete cures. Give the concrete at least 24 to 48 hours to fully harden before attaching the fence panels. With your posts set, you can now attach the fence panels or rails. It may be challenging, but with patience and the right approach, your fence will stand strong no matter how tough the soil. Don't let tough terrain stop you. Build a fence that's built to last. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more CAAN tips. Be sure to check out our playlist for more tips and tricks. If you need professional help, feel free to contact us at the number below or visit our website. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.